Hey viewer, it's an image we are going to edit here using the camera raw filter over that image. So it's a temperature we will use. Tint as well, go to the exposure. Further there is an highlight. So let's use the blacks. And then we will go to adjustment. There use the curve on it. Make some further brightness. Hide by using the color paints. We will go with the history brush tool. So this is the image we have found.